Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Falling for Crochet. This is Heather. In this tutorial, it's going to be a quick one. Just going to show you guys how to do the extended single crochet stitch. So as you can see, I have worked up 2 rows and I'm on my 3rd row right now. In some patterns you will see, or they'll call for the extended single crochet. And what this does is it adds a little bit more height to the standard single crochet. So to begin, you just want to go ahead and go into your next stitch right here. Go ahead and insert your hook and pull up a loop like you would with a single crochet. But the trick is, now instead of going through both of the loops, you're just going to yarn over, pull through the one, you're left with 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2. Again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, got the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, and pull through both. And that is this extended single crochet. So let's go ahead and finish up this row for you guys. And then don't forget that little stitch right there on the end. Alrighty. And that is it.